a 14-metre zone at almost 14% copper in it. And remembering this is copper and gold, which is great.
Firefly Metals returned back with high-grade copper and gold from the Green Bay Copper Gold Project in Canada. All the details this morning are with the company's managing director, Steve Parsons. Steve, it's good to see you again. We had you on last week. You were the bearer of good news, and you're back on today as well. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Yeah, great news today. We just put out with our latest drill hole.
Steve, you've informed the market that the strength of the mineralisation appears to be increasing at depth, with the furthest hole returning one of the best intersections drilled in the deposit to date. So that's quite a milestone. What more can you tell us?
Yeah, it is a fairly impressive drill hole we've put out today. I mean, on the back of all the infill that we've just completed last week that we put out to the market, and we're expecting more infill to come out very, very soon, leading up to that resource update later this year. This drill hole is really significant in the fact that it's a 650-metre step out from the previous resource, so a wildcat hole. And as you said, it is probably the best drill hole we've ever drilled to date, which is actually quite amazing when you think about it. And it's certainly the furthest wildcat hole that's ever been drilled to date on it. And then on top of that, the grade has got that sensational, 49 metres at 6.5% copper and a 14-metre zone at almost 14% copper in it. And remembering this is copper and gold, which is great.
100%. And of course, Steve, market prices are in your favor at the moment. So investors are quite keen to kind of step in the zone. Regional exploration is underway now, Steve. You've got a balance sheet of $145 million to essentially upscale Green Bay. What's next in the coming weeks?
Yeah, great question. I mean, sort of stepping back, the infill is super important, ready for that, the resource upgrade, ready for the engineering economic study work coming out first quarter next year. The step out drilling that we obviously just completed now, and you'll see more of that, sort of showing the growth on the project. However, the regional upside is huge, and remembering nobody's really done any work on this project for a good 30 years or so. So we have $16 million budgeted to spend over the next 12 months on regional exploration. There's currently 2 drill rigs on site. We are looking at ramping that up because of what we're seeing is looking so good. There's 325 targets to go and test. So it's a lot of targets to test, and we want to try and get through as many of them as possible. So watch this space. There should be some news out on the regional targeting very, very soon as well.
And all eyes will be on Green Bay in the coming weeks as things start to ramp up. We'll have more details with you very soon. This was Firefly's Managing Director, Steve Parsons. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.